Hey everybody, it's JC Macalino with FX Edge. Today I am going to go over my custom methodology. Briefly discuss what do I use, what am I looking for, what is my methodology. Am I trading breakouts? Am I trading retracements? Am I trading momentum? My expertise is reversals. I know when something is going to change direction. That's where that's my bread and butter. Nothing is going to go up and up and up forever. I will alert subscribers when I think something is about to change direction in reverse. They'll have plenty of time to enter that position. Boom, a reversal happens and I make money. Subscribers make money. My take profit levels are clearly alerted way ahead of time, and which makes for a nice automatic wins. Now, what tools do I use? What's in my bag? I use tools that are available to everybody. Pivot points. I utilize 2 different oscillators. I utilize Japanese candlestick patterns, and I put all of that on 3 different time frames and come up with my secret sauce. Yes, I do have one, but I'm not gonna give the secret sauce away. However, I want to give away my golden eggs with you, my alerts. These are my golden eggs that I like to share. My alerts are the things that I consider the things that we can all benefit from. They're simple, they make money, and I really hope that you guys can give it a shot, see what I'm all about here, and make money together at FX Edge.